Hey, good morning. It's Bob Webster, Keefe Real Estate in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. It is Friday, March 9th. Wanted to just share with you a quick comment here. If you're like me, you've probably noticed a number of articles recently, both in the print media and online, about the improving real estate market. And I just noticed one this morning that I paid particular attention to. The gist of the article was that a number of markets are experiencing a heightened level of activity. Some sales are starting to come together, and it just really put a nice positive spin on the overall real estate market. I was at a meeting in Phoenix back in January with a number of other real estate folks from across the country, and I was hearing some of the same things back then at this meeting, and it certainly is encouraging on the surface, but I think there's probably two really important key points to keep in mind. The first one is that this is really just the beginning. What these articles are really saying, and what it would be easy to read in between the lines and sort of misunderstand from these articles, is that things are starting to improve. There are folks looking. There are some sales starting to come together, but it would be a mistake to interpret that as a return back to the good old days in terms of the market. So I think that's the first point. The second point, and it's I think equally important, is that this beginning of the improvement is somewhat fragile, and I think it's actually been caused by a number of different things, but one has to do with the mild winter that we've had. One certainly has to do with the fact that interest rates are low and very reasonable as compared to historic levels. But I think the other thing is that there's just some positive feelings that people are having right now, and whether it's a big ticket purchase of a home or a car or a boat, whatever the case may be, I think people just feel a little better about things right now than they actually have in quite a long time. But that could be quickly and easily affected by a number of things. Higher gas prices, this is an election year, and without getting into the politics at all, there's probably going to be a number of things said over the next few months in the whole political arena in Washington, and that could certainly have a bearing on it. And just the overall, one day you hear something good about the country of Greece and them working out their financial difficulties, and the next week you hear that they're having problems coming to some sort of an agreement over that. So I think all these things have to be taken into consideration, and I believe the bottom line is that things are beginning to improve. We all hope that they will continue to improve, but it's really early to be making any kind of long-term prediction. So that's just what I wanted to share with you. If you have any questions about the real estate market in Lake Geneva, by all means feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, or go to my website, www.lakegenevaproperty.com. It's Bob Webster in Lake Geneva. I hope you make it a great day.